because we got a call in reference to you being on this property.
What property is this?
This is the Davenport Police Department.
Who funds it?
The city of Davenport.
Who funds the city of Davenport?
Staff inside.
Since you're making contact with me, could you identify your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Albie.
And your badge number, please?
I don't even know why you're here right now.
You're dismissed, Thomas.
I'm not dismissed.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, no, you're being detained right now.
For what?
Doing
What crime did I commit?
creating traffic hazard. They're calling it in.
How?
Welcome back to CT3, where we highlight 3 clips and I'll recap with a few educational pointers to ensure your rights aren't violated on your next encounter with a cop. If you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you won't miss the next episode. Also, the link to these awesome channels are in the description. So if you're looking for updates or just want to show them love, don't hesitate to check out their channels. Go ahead and gently smash that like button so this video will spread and help put an end to police misconduct, and also helps educate the uneducated. Let's get right into it.
Don't you surround me.
What are you talking about? I'm not surrounding you.
Don't surround me.
I have just as much right to be here as you do, right? I mean, in fact, I have more right. This is my work. This is where I work. I'm just curious if there's something I can do to help you. You're making our citizens inside feel a little bit uncomfortable.
And that looked like my phone in his hand.
You know what I'm saying? You're making my staff inside feel a little bit uncomfortable. They're curious what your business here is. Could you give me some insight?
What's your name and badge number? What is your name and badge number?
Why are you asking?
Because
I don't know who you are. Why are you
public
asking
official?
who I am?
Y'all surrounding me.
What
I'm not
are
surrounding
you doing, sir?
I'm standing here talking
What's
to you.
name, ma'am? What's your name and badge number?
She doesn't have to tell you anything.
So you're not a public official?
See right there? Are you one of the constitutionalists? Is
Get
that
away,
it?
get away from me, man.
I'm not by you, you're by me.
Why
This
are
is where I
you
work.
on this property? That's the question. Why are you on this property?
Am I being detained?
No, you're not.
Actually, you are now because we got a call in reference to you being on this property.
What property is this?
This is the Davenport Police Department.
Who funds it?
The city of Davenport.
Who funds the city of Davenport?
The staff inside.
Everybody that's
A taxpayer, right? So this is public property, like you said earlier.
However, we have the right
to do the
to.
constitutionalist thing.
However,
Can you go ahead and educate me?
we do have the right to detain you at this point because
Can-
you're acting
how about-
suspicious on our property.
So did I.
This is the
agree?
Davenport, Iowa Police Department. Territory, Ohio says
Correct.
you must have a reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. This is public property.
This is reasonable articulation of a crime
No,
right
it's not.
now.
Remember that part where you were tucking behind this pillar right here?
So, as a public official, I am going to ask for your ID at this point in time.
Sir,
So if
call
you
your
do not
supervisor.
provide-
Call
if
your
you do not
supervisor.
provide your
Call your
identification
supervisor.
at this
Call.
time,
I don't have to.
I am going to take you and place you under arrest
For what crime?
because you failed to provide an ID.
Territory, call your supervisor. Call your boss.
Listen, I don't.
Okay,
First of all, I don't
here's
have
the
to get
deal.
authority from my boss to do my job.
You do.
Okay.
I'm asking for a supervisor.
You need to walk then, sir. Off this property, off of all government property.
I'm here to
Go.
file a FOIA records request, though. That's what
You
I'm here
need
to
to
do.
walk away. Well,
That's what I'm here to do. File a
All
FOIA.
right, goodbye.
I need to talk to your PO. Please don't touch me.
Get on the phone.
Please don't
Walk
touch me.
away.
Please don't touch me,
We have a
sir.
lot-
away or we're
listen,
gonna
we
take
got
you
a
to
lot of
jail.
issues with
Please don't touch me. Davenport Police Iowa
Take
Department.
away.
Sir,
Keep
if you
walking.
touch me, don't
Keep
you.
walking.
Sir, I'm asking for a FOIA records request.
You work at a restaurant.
Well, you're gonna have to call for that now. Go ahead.
Get your
You need to
PO.
leave.
Can you get supervisor?
You need to leave.
Get supervisor. I'm on the sidewalk.
What's a
You need to leave. I'm on the
It's a
sidewalk.
public place, and now we're asking you to leave.
What?
That's correct.
What?
Civilians inside all hanked up.
Well, I'm asking for a FOIA record before he blocked
Sir,
me.
you need
I'm
to
going
leave.
this way. I'm going this way. I'm
Okay.
going this way.
How about doing
Then
on
go
that side?
on that side of the road.
No, there's a sidewalk up there.
Yep. And now you've caused enough concern over here. You're gonna
Because
use
you
the other
surrounded.
sidewalk.
Because you surrounded me.
I'm not surrounding anything. How can I surround you with one person?
Because you got all these cops surrounding me.
Hey, come on. Don't try to be. Don't try
Go to the other side of the street, sir.
Davenport, Iowa Police Department. Davenport, Iowa. Get your supervisor.
Listen, you walk around and film all you want. If you come back over by and you start freaking out my civilian staff, we're gonna resolve it, okay?
If you resolve it, better be legal.
Not my staff.
It
It
is
better be
legal.
legal. No, it's not.
Like I said, you are being not legal at this point in time. You have a
Hey,
public
sir,
official
are
asking you
you-
for your identification.
Territory, Ohio says you must have a reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime.
You're out here being reasonable and articulate right now. You're actually being unreasonable, right?
Look at all these
Because
cops.
there's no reason for
one
you to
person.
be here.
I asked for a FOIA records request, and he told me to leave.
Because of the situation right now,
You had plenty of opportunities. Just kept
because of
filming.
the situation right
And I
now,
asked
you
for
are
a full-
making everyone very uncomfortable. So,
If you're scared of a camera,
no, don't know what else you have on you, and the
Just
way
don't
that
touch
you're
me.
acting,
Don't touch me.
It's
There's never
not
any issues.
proper.
They're not constitutional. I have a constitutional right to do this. Hey, are you the supervisor? You want? I was trying to come in for a records request.
Okay.
And this dude, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to go in there and do right now.
Okay.
So they're all surrounding me. You guys are all surrounding me for no reason. That's what I'm trying to do. Can I? Dude, you should have seen it earlier. You should have seen it earlier, though.
Just a little different, a little elevated time. You want a records request? Go and get a record.
Okay, so I can go in there.
Yeah.
Don't touch
You
me.
can also do it online.
No, but I want to go in there and get a record and get a form so I can do a records request. There's nothing wrong with that.
You can fill that online.
No, I want to go in there. This is public. This is taxpayer phone in the building.
Records isn't open. This
We're
is
closed.
shut
Limited
down,
business. Come back
and
later.
you are acting the way you're acting.
Because you all surrounded me.
That's not true. You were acting that way before I even approached
You guys all I only get frightened when you guys.
Hence the reason we got a call on you, correct?
If your concern is you want the records request, she's giving you a couple different ways you can do that.
Well, I'm trying to get the form. Well, give me the form.
What do you need? What records request do you need?
I need to find out what your department budget is. Is it for a documentary?
That'll be over across the street at City Hall.
Problem
And
solved.
they're also shut down.
And I also want your guys' department personnel files. I want to know who all you guys is.
You can do all that somewhere else.
That's over
Y'all
across
didn't
the street.
identify yourselves.
Sergeant Turner, number 670. Freedom of Information form, I think is probably online as well, but you probably have to get that from HR too.
Okay.
Okay?
Problem solved, right?
Problem solved, man.
All right, man. Have a good one.
This is public property, though. This is public sidewalk. This is not your facility.
But you are now being asked to leave, which
I'm not doing that.
ask you to leave.
It's a public facility, though.
So if
It's
you
a public
refuse
property.
to leave, you are going to be
Can you-
trespassed, and I will issue a citation.
Can
for
you get her?
trespass.
Can you get her, sir? She's wrong. She's wrong. She's wrong, bro. She's wrong, bro. I know my rights. She's wrong.
If you want to go that, it's online.
Okay. I appreciate your time, sir.
I don't know if you can do it on your phone or not. Okay. But you might have to go to a computer, like a laptop or something.
Okay, I'll have to go get one of
But
those.
I know the libraries are closed.
Oh, okay. Due to this situation, I understand that. I completely do.
And I know that's why City Hall's closed.
Oh, okay. I understand
And
that.
they may do it by appointment, they may not.
Okay.
Okay, but I'm sorry, I don't know.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So if you give them a call, I don't know how much staff they have in there, but I do know there is some in there.
Okay. I appreciate your time.
Okay.
Thank you for professionalism.
All right, have a good day.
Can you get her away from me? Can you get her?
Let's go. Have a good day.
You too, man.
Stay safe.
You too.
Don't get
Oh, I'll try not to, man. I'm trying to stay healthy. I appreciate you guys' time. Ooh, that was scary.
Now the supervisor was a true savior. Both female officers wanted to go hands-on and lock Floyd up. The main female cop seems unstable and uneducated on the basis of her job, and that's upholding the Constitution and enforcing laws. It's clear they were uneasy because the individual was filming outside of their department, which is obviously not breaking the law. The male officer with the glasses was a smart aleck and has no idea how to communicate with the member of the public. It's like when they know you're a constitutionalist, they hate you even more. It seems like most law enforcement officers swearing an oath to uphold your constitutional rights is like making a promise as a kid. Most likely it's going to get broken. But again, respect to Sergeant Turner for stepping in and de-escalating the situation, even when Miss Piggy was still trying to violate Floyd's rights. Let's continue.
Do you know this person?
Since you're making contact with me, could you identify your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Albie.
And your badge number, please?
I don't even know why you're here right now.
I asked you a direct question. Do you have your badge number on
And
you?
I asked you to leave because right now you're not allowed to be on our traffic stop.
Ma'am, if you're refusing to identify your badge number, it might result in a complaint with your department.
Okay, I understand that. My badge number is 639.
Thank you very much.
But I've asked you a question.
At
as
this
to why you're
time,
here.
it's not consensual. Thank you.
You're on my traffic stop.
Ma'am, I'm an appropriate distance from your traffic stop. Please go back to work.
Okay, but if something were to
Ma'am,
happen
go back
and
to
you were
work.
get harmed,
Go back to work.
Then that would fall in our department.
You're a liar. You're an idiot.
If you were to get harmed right now, how would that...
You're a idiot liar.
Okay.
Now do your job. How you doing, man?
Just so you know, I mean, you have the right to record and everything. We just need you a little further away from the scene.
Do you remember what the Supreme Court ruled as far as the distance?
Do you remember what it was?
You don't know?
Well, anything that we deem as unsafe.
Okay, that's false. Have a good day, sir.
Okay, well, I will make sure to research that information.
Thank you, sir. I have the answer, by the way.
But just know if you get too close to a scene, you can't be arrested.
Hey man, they would have arrested me already, man. Have a good one.
I'm just letting you know.
Have a good one. Have a good one. One strike. They don't like you to record. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they had a 5th car here as well, but that one left.
Kind of place here.
What's your name and your badge number? Just answer it, man.
I don't have to, but I will because
It's your policy.
it's actually not our policy.
It's not?
No, it's not.
You don't think it's professional to identify to
I'm going
people?
to.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Officer Love.
Love?
Yeah, my badge number is right there, 619.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Not that you needed to do that. I mean, the only level of the
Hey, man, just show some professionalism. We'll all be good, all right? Thank you.
I'm trying to have a conversation with you, man. What's your name? Well, I have to talk to you, but you don't have to talk to me, okay? Seems fair.
Yeah, it's been a long while. You just giving them a warning? You just giving them a warning? Well, we appreciate that, man. We appreciate that. We don't need more of our people in these jails. How long has he been sitting here?
Well, the situation that we ran into is that I forgot that in my vehicle I don't have a working printer. So we ran into a scenario where I tried to send it to her printer's not working, so now I gotta try to send it to her. So the courier can get the printer. Now the quick ink is gone. I just don't have a working printer right now, so it's not being prolonged. I just don't have a working printer.
Okay, cool.
Looks like he's coming back with it right now, though, so we can get.
You know, in this day and age, we gotta appreciate citizens recording police in their interactions, right? Cool.
You get back on the sidewalk, please.
Is this, what is this?
This is a road. Okay. Do you have no business being that close to the officer while he's conducting a traffic
Gosh, it's
stop?
done. The traffic stop is done. The traffic stop is done. Shut up. Is this traffic stop over?
That police officer back in his car yet?
I'm asking you a question.
I asked you a question.
He's pulling off. Is it over? You said it's the police officer going back in his car. That doesn't have anything to do with this guy leaving and the traffic stop being over. Thank you. Have a good day. Get back to work. Thank you. This guy, man. This is one of the tyrants out here. This guy. And make sure we always record the police because they don't like it at all.
When a police officer tries to stop a citizen from filming their traffic stop, it is a violation of the First Amendment right to freedom of press. There are several reasons why it's important for citizens to be able to film police officers on traffic stops. First,
filming a traffic stop can help deter police misconduct. When officers know that they are being watched, they are less likely to engage in illegal or unethical behavior. Second, filming can help hold police officers accountable. If an officer does something wrong, video footage can be used to prove it. And third, filming can help to build trust between the community and law enforcement officers. When citizens feel like they can hold police officers accountable, they are more likely to cooperate. In the case Wilson v. Lane, a federal appeals court ruled that police officers could not use a warrant to seize videotapes of a traffic stop that had been filmed by a bystander. This is real important because officers will try to intimidate you and say, we're going to seize your video camera because we need this as evidence. So cases like this are super important because it shows the courts are increasingly recognizing the rights of citizens to film police officers. Let's continue.
What? Who are you? What do you mean come over here and talk to you? I don't have to talk to you.
Yes, you do. Okay?
Says who?
Let me finish. Okay? They're calling and saying that you're creating a traffic hazard over here. What are you doing?
Really?
Yes, really. That's why I'm here.
Well, they're lying.
I'm not here playing around, okay?
I'm not here playing around either.
Okay. Well, what's the reason?
What's your name and badge number?
Thomas.
Thomas?
THOMAS 421-421. That's my badge number.
All right, you're dismissed, Thomas.
I'm not dismissed.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, no, you're being detained right now.
For
What are
what?
you doing
What
here?
crime did I
You're
commit?
You're creating a traffic hazard. They're calling it in.
How?
And you're not wanted here. That's how.
The f- I'm on public. I'm not on their property.
What are you doing here?
None of your business.
It is.
No, it's
If
not.
I'm getting calls for this, it is my business.
Where's your supervisor?
Right here.
Are you the supervisor? Yeah, he's the supervisor. You're not gonna correct her? Here, go ahead. Oh, no problem. Will you let her know that I have the right to record right here?
Yeah, what are you
Huh?
doing?
Just recording, man. It's not my fault that they didn't like it.
I didn't say you couldn't record. Okay?
Let's
But
go
when
find out
we-
what they want.
Huh? But when we have calls,
You're dismissed.
then that's a bad
You're
problem.
dismissed.
I'm not dismissed.
Bye-bye.
Because you're not my
You're
boss.
dismissed. I am. Damn, Gina.
Okay. So, you can record all you want, do whatever you want, but here's the thing that we're having an issue with, okay? Don't obstruct the trucks that are coming in. I don't know if you weren't filming in the middle of the street. I don't know. I'm not here to take sides. However, you do need to stay away from their path of travel, okay? Onto the property. Do what you gotta do. Record however you want, all right? Just do not impede the truckers that are coming in here, and don't impede the traffic that's coming in, okay?
Don't forget to tie your shoes.
I don't have to tell you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Any other questions?
You are dismissed.
Actually, I'm not dismissed. I have a job to do, and I'm leaving.
Yep,
Have a
that's
good
what I
day.
thought. Bye.
I hope you're getting paid for it.
Bye, Felicia. Oh, I am getting paid, just to let you know.
She had an attitude on her, huh? But we must remember that just because someone called the cops on you doesn't mean you lose your rights. Law enforcement officers cannot lawfully detain someone unless they have reasonable articulable suspicion that you have committed a crime. Cop egos often get in the way of them properly investigating if a crime was committed. Luckily, her supervisor was present, so she thought it was a good idea to investigate. Knowing your constitutional rights is crucial for protecting yourself and ensuring that your fundamental liberties are upheld. When the police are called on you and the caller falsely accuses you of a crime, being aware of your rights allows you to respond appropriately and assert your innocence. Just like Tulare caught watch displayed in this clip. But that's going to do it for this video. Much love to these awesome creators. Again, make sure you use the links in the description to check out their channels and show them some love. If you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you won't miss the next episode. And if you made it this far, thank you so much. You're the real CT3 fam. And without you, there's no CT3. Remember, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. And until next time.
But that's going to do it for this video. Much love to these awesome creators. Again, make sure you use the links in the description to go check out their channels and show them some love. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next episode. If you made it this far, thank you so much. You're the real CT3 fam. And without you, there's no CT3. Remember, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. And until next time, peace.
Police.